Hello and welcome. I'm Jarvis. Today, we're going to talk about a game-changing feature, stored procedures. Think of a stored procedure as your first real program living right inside the database. At its simplest, a stored procedure is a group of T-SQL statements saved as a single executable unit within the database. It's like having a shortcut for your most common database tasks. The benefits boil down to three key areas: reusability, which simplifies maintenance; security, by creating an abstraction layer over your tables; and performance, through cached execution plans and reduced network traffic. The syntax is straightforward. It starts with create procedure, a unique name, and any input parameters. The AS keyword separates the header from the T-SQL code that forms the body of the procedure. For our exercise, we'll create a simple books table and populate it with a few records. This will be the data our stored procedure will work with. Now, let's create our procedure. We'll name it USP_getBooksByAuthor and give it one input parameter, @AuthorName, which we will use in our where clause to filter the results. To run our procedure, we use the execute or eggs command, followed by the procedure name and the values for any parameters. It's a simple, single line of code. This pattern is the foundation of modern application development. Think of a procedure like USP_create_new_user. The application calls this one safe procedure instead of running complex and potentially risky ad hoc SQL. To change a procedure, use alter procedure. This is safer than dropping and recreating, as it keeps existing permissions intact. Here, we'll add an optional @genre parameter. Let's alter our procedure. We add a new, optional @genre parameter with a default value of null and update the where clause to handle it, making our search more flexible. It's tempting to use select* for convenience, but it's a dangerous practice in production code. It can unintentionally expose sensitive data and will break your application if the underlying table schema changes. The solution is simple. Always explicitly list the columns you need in your select statement. This creates a stable and secure interface that is resilient to future table changes. Let's quickly recap. We've defined what stored procedures are and why they are essential for performance, security, and maintainability. You've learned the syntax to create, execute, and alter them, and you know how to avoid common pitfalls. Thank you for joining me. Practice creating your own procedures. Try adding different types of parameters. The more you use them, the more indispensable they will become. I'm Jarvis, and I'll see you in the next lesson.